AI silicon must catch up with AI data demands. Otherwise, the gap in AI architecture will slow the progress of AI in critical sectors like healthcare. One of the significant gaps in the AI silicon architecture is the memory bandwidth. AI models have become more complex, requiring more memory to load and store, which strains the memory bandwidth of AI chips. To solve this, high-speed interconnect are getting used, but it still has several challenges, including stacking issues. Another gap in the AI silicon is the operating power. As AI chips become more powerful, they become power-hungry, which adds scalability hurdles. Semiconductor manufacturing is also a significant bottleneck. Fabricating an AI chip is challenging due to the need for high precision and costly processes. The development of AI silicon chips is a rapidly evolving field. As the challenges mentioned get addressed, AI chips will become more powerful, efficient, and affordable. It will enable AI systems to be used in a broader range of applications and help accelerate the pace of innovation in AI.